Like what? Unwrapping a present. Update starting. Do not drive until completed. Like, what am I supposed to do? Just...
If I make a quick video in reference of this one that people kept sending me, check it out. Here.
Oh, this crazy, man. This Tesla shit, brother. I get in the car, right, thinking I go to the store, go ahead, grab me a little drink, a little snack or something, you know what I'm saying? Late night snack shit. Bro, I get in the car, whoop, put the key where it's supposed to be ready to rock out, right? Look at this shit. Like what? Unwrapping a present. Update starting. Do not drive until completed. Like, what am I supposed to do? Just sit in the fucking garage until this shit's done? I want to go get some snacks right now. What the fuck? This silly ass shit, man. Like, what the fuck? Never, bro. Me and these Teslas, man. Big Musk. We got something to talk about, brother.
All right, so there you go. You had that one. Let's talk about it right quick. So, you got White Ghost, you got Smoke here. So, I'm gonna start with the app first. So check this out. I'll make sure I ain't showing my address here. Okay, so White Ghost doesn't have a update at the moment. But let me show you some right quick. I know Smoke does. I want to make this video in reference of that right quick. So check this out. So you got software. You got your standard and advanced. Standard, advanced, you know, it's gonna get it pushed out immediately. But you still got the option to choose whether you want the software update to do it then or later or schedule, etc. What I mean by that is, for example, so right here, you see software update. Okay, so you hit that, there you go. It's going to ask you if you're wanted to install it right now. As you notice, the no is over there. And it's actually going to tell you approximately how long it's going to take as well. You see it says an hour and 5 minutes. So you got the ability to do this when you want it to do. It's going to estimate on how long it's going to take. And also too, that varies sometimes depending on your Wi-Fi connection. Like it say an hour and 5 minutes. When I go to do it on here, when I do it on Smoke, it's actually going to do it fast because I got a faster Wi-Fi here at home. But that's here or there. So also let's get in the inside right quick. Let's get in the inside of the car right quick so I can show you what I'm talking about as well too. So once again, from the app, you hit that. Notice the yes is not on this side, it's on this side. So if you mess around, hit it by accident, you're gonna still hit no. It's asking you if you want to start the software update as of right now. An hour and 5 minutes. That's from the phone. That's from the app itself. The Tesla app. Now, check this out. This a flight of cockpit here, so don't pay on mind all my stuff laying around. So with this here as well, we're gonna go software. Oh, matter of fact, you know what? I just thought about it. Only reason it ain't showing now because I opened the door up and moved the car over here so I could do this video right quick. But when soon as you go to the car and you know wake it up, this is gonna pop up right here. Hopefully you can see that real good here. It's gonna pop up. You can schedule it for whatever time you want it to start the update. And also it's going to tell you right here approximately an hour and 5 minutes for this particular software update here. This one got some major major release here going on with this one though. But yeah. So I just hate when people get on here and just do these crazy things, make it like Tesla just do all, it just disable you, you know, just misleading people. But hey, that's not the case here. I'm just showing you the right way here, so you can understand the correct way, the correct flow of the way it is. So if I can hit schedule, I can schedule it for that time, or okay, hey, I have to come right back because I got a phone call. It kind of messed me up what I was doing. But anyway, so like I was saying, you can do it through the app, but I mess around and hit schedule. Schedule. I can start it now if I want to. You in control of this, either no or yes to start the software update. But right here, so right there, like I was saying, it's telling you approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes to install. To begin, park your car and close your doors. You will not be able to drive or use your touch screen. Air suspension may lower and your alarm may be disarmed for a short duration. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. I'm just doing this video right quick just to show people. I can hit this right here, install. It's countdown, 2 minutes. But the little trick here though, you can tap this a couple of times, it'll start immediately. Watch this. Bam. 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 Look at that. He's going to do his thing. Software update to that version there. I can show that. Updating starting. Do not drive unit. Do not drive until complete. I'm sorry. Do not drive until complete. There you go. This is not something just it does on its own while your car literally just parked. But you are in control from your app on your phone or the car itself. Hey, you got any questions? Feel free to holler at me, or you feel some way. Comment, like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace. Team Tesla. Yeah. Hey, I had to make a run right quick, but I just thought about this too. I want to do this because I got a notification that software update is complete. You see, software update is complete. So man, don't be misinformed here on these people out here being clowns about acting like the cars just disable you and make it hard on your life, and that's not the case, man. Chill out, chill. So now, Smoke has the latest software update according to the configuration of the car and so on and so on. But hey, that's all I want to do is show that. Peace.